Welcome to episode 16 of the podcast for the recently diagnosed. I'm your host, Rob Britt. And this is a podcast for documenting my journey with Parkinson's disease. I got diagnosed initially in 2022 and had symptoms a few years before that, but was in some kind of denial, trying to figure out what else this could be besides Parkinson's or Alzheimer's or one of the other neurological diseases that make me shake. So here's my hand. Ooh, a little bit of shaking there. Anyhow, I just got done with 2 climbs, sitting in front of the wall, the climbing wall at James Island County Park, and have a few new developments. One is that the drug that I was on for the trial, the Parkinson's trial, was the trial study was brought to a halt, and that was after I was in phase 2 of the trial for 18 months taking the drugs, and then in the phase 3 for 6 months, and got a call from the coordinator, the research coordinator, saying stop taking the drugs. The decision's been made that they are ineffective in slowing the progression of Parkinson's. So my progression has been pretty slow, I guess. It's coming up on 3 years since my official diagnosis, and my shaking has progressed a little bit. My right side is shaking a little bit more than it used to, and my left hand and my left side is shaking pretty good. If I wasn't on the Cinemet, it would be much worse. I'm taking the Cinemet 4 times a day now, 4, and taking 2 pills each time. So I'm taking them roughly at 7, 11, 3, and then 7 p.m. for my final dose. And it's definitely helping, but it's progressed from when I was initially diagnosed. I was taking 1 Cinemet 3 times a day, so more than double the dosage, and there's still some room on that. I could take, my main doctor at the Medical University of South Carolina says he has people taking 20 pills in a day, and right now I am only taking 8. So there's still some upwards movement on that. What other news do I have? I think that's pretty much it. It's mostly just the drug trial and increasing my dosage. Oh, other thing, my last video I showed a climb that I did at a adaptive climbing challenge, paraclimbing for the Southeastern Regional competition, and I got 3rd place in my division, or my category. I'm still not sure exactly the terminology on that one. So I'm in the neurological 2, which I guess neurological 1 means you have much more going on, impacting your ability to do stuff. Right now I have some range of motion issues, and I have some strength issues. I can't grip very well with my left hand, and my right arm only goes about this high, so like shoulder high. Now I can get higher if I push, and if I do, I get a lot of pain like right in here, and the higher I go, the less grip function I have. So that's just what I deal with. But anyhow, I got 3rd place in my division, and I am going to the national competition in Oakland in March. And the top 3 finishers in each division for that, for the males and females, so different divisions for the different sexes. The top 3 finishers are qualified for the U.S. team for the Paralympics, which is coming up in 2026. There's a lot of conversation in the woods behind me. I'm not sure how much of that you're getting. I think the Frisbee golf course is right around here. So there's different people going for that. Anyhow, that's about it for this episode. Hope everybody out there is doing fine. If you have questions, just leave me a message. Thanks.